What up, guys? This is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and I just wanted to show you how to remove the door panel on a 2018 Volvo XC40. This is a very easy panel to remove. So it has a 7 millimeters by the door handle, which is this one right here. Other two 7 millimeters right at the bottom, right here, and then two T20 torques on this side, below the door handle area. So there is two of those, one in here and one right here. Can't really see it. And then just pull up, and when you try to put it back on, just push down. Just be careful with this piece, so you don't want to break this little plastic right here. So make sure to be careful when you're putting the door panel back on. So this is a front door panel removal for a 2018 Volvo XC40. Thank you for watching. See you next time.